Pygmy seahorse are some of the most fascinating creatures in the ocean. They are as tiny as your fingernail and have incredible camouflage. These fascinating creatures are found in the Coral Triangle area of Southeast Asia. They are some of the smallest seahorse species in the world, typically measuring less than 2 centimeters in height. Pygmy seahorse are able to change color to blend in with their surroundings. They use this ability to hide from predators and to communicate with each other. Pygmy seahorse are graceful swimmers that use their fins to propel themselves through the water. Pygmy seahorse are fascinating creatures that are worth learning more about. Thanks for watching.